Hello, good morning. We're in North Carolina. It's in the morning and just showing this place. We're in the ocean, but not for the beach for swimming, but for kayaking. And there's a lot of people there kayaking. There's a flag, but I don't see those, but there were people there doing the kayak. So you see there's one right there moving. That's kayaking. This amazes me here. This is a fishing boat. It's huge. And this is the net where they throw in and then get a lot of fish. That's a net right there. Nice. Just showing the place. And these are people right here. Oh, is that our car waiting for me? It's a nice place. I got to find my car. Okay, came to visit our daughter, and here's our bumper sticker. My daughter is a U.S. Marine. All right. Have a great day. Bye.